Hello there, this is Mark Brough, Project Manager for Merit, here at the site of the new Berwick Infirmary. Since the last update, works have progressed well, and we expect to be complete both the foundations and the steel frame of the building in the early spring. The people of Berwick will now have a really good understanding of how the new hospital will eventually look, and this will only get more exciting as the building progresses. Since the last update, demolition works to the remaining ward block on site of the old Berwick Infirmary are well underway. This will be complete in the coming weeks, with the aggregate behind us crushed and reused to form the basis of the new car park. As well as the new car park and entrance zone to the facility, the area behind us will also house what we consider to be the vital services for the hospital, such as oxygen storage, fuel oil for the generators, where you will have your incoming mains cold water and your HV electricity supplies, all in a compounded area. We're now on the rooftop of the structure. As you can see, we've had the hollow rim sections laid down on top of the primary steelwork. These are essentially installed to take the weight and the loading of the concrete that is poured on top to form the level base. The handrail that you see behind me is installed as part of the primary steelwork installation, which allows us really to gain immediate access to start this work. And it cuts out on scaffolding requirements and so on and so forth. The roof, once all of the hollow rim sections are completed, the roof will be carved up into about 4 sections. We will have engineers set out areas, and that will allow us to bring our pods to site, which will consist of a handling plant, electrical, switchgear, water facilities, and so on and so forth. To give some perspective as to where we are within the hospital itself, behind us is one of the central gardens, and you'll see hopefully directly behind that is the central staircase off the main reception area. This is the extent of the decking that we've installed at the moment, and you'll see the decking packs waiting for the next phase of works, which will be installed to allow the concrete floors to be poured through on this first floor.